Hello my dear students, welcome back to chapter 7, that is Teeth and Microbes. Today we are going to discuss the structure of tooth. Okay, let's see what this topic tells us. Okay, in the previous class I told you something about the teeth. Okay, here we are going to discuss about the structure of individual tooth. Okay, here we are going to discuss broadly. It is divided into two parts. Okay, first is crown and second is root. Crown is that part of the teeth what we are able to see, and the root is that part of the teeth what we are not able to see, and it is present in the gums. But it is very important to hold our teeth at the same place. Okay, more stronger the root will be, stronger your tooth also will be. Okay, and it act like a root of the plant. Okay, have you seen that root of plant? More stronger the root will be, more strongly the plant can stand upright. Same concept applied for our tooth also. So crown, here we are going to discuss the inner part, inner layer of the tooth. Don't be confused between the crown and the parts of the teeth or tooth. The crown is all the part that we are able to see completely, but that outer part or inside out completely, that tooth can be divided further into the different layer. Okay, that we are not able to see. We are not able to see the dentine, we are not able to see the pulp, but that are present inside that tooth. Okay, have you eaten the pancake? The outermost layer. Okay, and inside that there are strawberry and chocolate flavor. Okay, like they are arranged in the different layer. In the same way, the different layer of our tooth is also arranged that we are not able to see. Okay, so here we are going to discuss the structure of tooth one by one. First we are going to discuss about enamel. Enamel is the white part of the tooth. Okay, that we are able to see. Complete part is crown, it's okay, but that crown is covered with the outermost layer. Okay, that is known as enamel, and this enamel is very hard. It is the hardest substance in our body. If I will talk about where it is present, this completely is crown now. Okay, but out of that also, that white part we are able to see, that is known as enamel. Okay, outermost layer of the teeth. Okay, this whole dentine comes in under the crown, pulp come under the crown also, but that crown is also divided into the different layer, and the outermost layer is enamel. It is white in color. The next, or with the second layer of the tooth, is dentine. Dentine is present just below the enamel. Enamel is the first layer of the tooth, what you can see in the picture, which is in the white color, and the second layer of the tooth is dentine, which is present brown in color. It is also hard. Okay, and that's why our teeth is very strong. It is also hard, but it is not hard as comparatively like a enamel. Okay, but it is also hard. The third layer, if we will talk about, is the pulp, which you can see with the red color. Okay, these are the soft part of our tooth, and it contain blood vessels and nerves also. That's why whenever you are feeling the pain, okay, if you are having some cavity or tooth problem, then you have a very much pain. Now why? Because that pulp is infected, and nerves are giving the message to the brain that you are having infection in your teeth. Okay, so these nerves and the blood vessels, okay, are attached with the blood vessels inside that, as you can see, and that's why if we are having the pain, we can feel that very strongly. So mostly these layer, the layer of the tooth is three. Okay, first is enamel, second is dentine, and third is pulp. Pulp is having the nerves and the blood vessels also, okay, that carry the messages, and whatever we are eating, okay, that nutrients are also get absorbed and reach to the blood with the help of these nerves and blood vessels only. Okay, the other parts of the tooth, you can see gums, okay, where our tooth is rooted. This is root canal. Okay, where the canal means the path which is providing the passage of the nerves and blood vessels. Okay, and this you can see nerves and the blood vessels which is present in the pulp. Okay, so this is the first layer, this is second layer, and this is third layer, you can see. Okay, so mostly there are 3 layers in our teeth. This is the most important layers that you have to define when this question will come in the exam. One more time I am explaining. Our tooth is broadly divided into 2 parts. The upper part that we are able to see is crown, and the lower part what we are not able to see is root. And further, our teeth is divided into the different layer. First, or the outermost layer, is enamel. Second, or the below the enamel, is the dentine, and the third most layer is pulp, which contain blood vessels and nerves. Now let's discuss care of teeth. If the God has given us the beautiful teeth and we are not taking care of that, then what will happen? Okay, we will have some of the problem in our teeth. Okay, like tooth decay and cavity and so on. So what do we have to do for the proper care of our teeth? First of all, we have to brush our teeth twice a day. First, after waking up early in the morning, and last, before going to the sleep. Second, we have to floss regularly. We have to rinse our mouth after each and every meal so that the stuck particle can come out with that water. After 6 months, we have to visit our dentist regularly, and we have to eat obviously very well balanced food, and especially the food that contain calcium, because calcium is very necessary for the stronger teeth, as you all are knowing. Now some of the raw vegetables also we have to eat so that a good exercise of teeth and gums can happen. Suppose if we are not taking care of our teeth, some of the students are very naughty and they don't brush regularly or nicely. Then what happened? Plaque, the yellow sticky layer will start coming on the topmost of your teeth, and your teeth will not look very white, clean and tidy. First of all, it look very dirty. Okay, and it will also harm your teeth. If this plaque will be present for a longer period of time, then you will have the cavity. That means the hole in your teeth. And finally, what will happen if your teeth will infected so much, then it has to pull out. Okay, and that space will be vacant, and it will also destroy your smile. Your smile will also become very funny. So please take care of your teeth, brush your teeth and eat a balanced diet and make your mouth clean. Do brush at least for 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes in the night. I hope you all have understood and you will take care of your teeth. Thank you for watching.